Looks like Wallace is a bit jealous. Doesn't like me patting my bird. Hey, Jax. What's up, Wallace? You'd probably like to take a chomp out of my bird, wouldn't you? Hey? You can't be on my lap right now because Jax is. Nice birdie. What's up, Wallace? That nice bird? No. Sit. Sit. No, you gotta leave the bird alone. He's having his time with me right now. You get to sit on my lap all the time, Wallace. Hey, come here. Come here, Jax. Come on. You really want that bird, don't you, Wallace? Huh? What? Oh, you'd like to play with him like one of your stuffed toys, wouldn't you? I'm sure you'd make mincemeat out of him. No, you got stuffed toys to play with. You can't play with my bird. And I don't think Jax would want you to play with her anyway. Come on, Wallace. I'm going to go put the bird away. Okay? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye to the bird.